starting now. Okay, write the question. Line segment joining the midpoints. Line segment joining the midpoints. M and N of parallel sides AB and DC of a trapezium. AB and DC of a trapezium. AB and DC of a trapezium. Okay. Line segment joining the midpoints. Line segment joining the midpoints. Line segment joining the midpoints M and N of parallel sides AB. Okay. Parallel sides AB and DC respectively of trapezium ABCD is perpendicular to both sides. Is perpendicular to both sides. Okay. Prove that AD equal to AD equal to BC. Prove that AD equal to BC. Prove that AD equal to BC. Prove that AD equal to BC. I'll read. Line segment, line segment joining the midpoints M and N of parallel sides AB and DC respectively of trapezium ABCD is perpendicular to both sides AB and DC. Prove that AD equal to BC. Prove that AD equal to BC. Prove that AD equal to BC. Yes, triangle question. Prove that AD equal to BC. Okay. Okay. First part, not only one part only. Line segment, Vidya. Line segment joining the midpoints M. Line segment joining the midpoints M and N of parallel sides AB and DC respectively of trapezium ABCD is perpendicular to both sides. Perpendicular to both sides AB and DC. Prove that AD equal to BC. Prove that AD equal to BC. Okay, draw figure. First, draw figure and write given what you have to prove. That's all. Okay. Okay, listen here. Hello. Given is what? Given is ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC. M and N are the midpoints and MN perpendicular to DC and AB. To prove AD equal to BC. Question understood or not? Hello. You got the question or not? Forget about answer. Question understood or not? Okay. Now look at here. Hello. Look. Take this triangle. Okay. In triangle DNM and CNM. Can you show these triangles are congruent? These triangles are congruent. Look here. DN equal to NC given. Angle DNM equal to CNM 90 degree given. This one common. These triangles are congruent by SIS congruency. Hence, two things. Angle DMN equal to angle CMN. Also, DM equal to MC, CPCT. Okay, write first that. Okay, write first. In triangle DNM, in triangle DNM, in triangle DNM, in triangle DNM and triangle CNM, DNM and CNM. DN equal to CN, DN equal to CN given. Angle DNM equal to angle CNM, 90 degree given. MN equal to MN common. MN equal to MN common. Therefore, triangle DNM congruent to triangle CNM. SAS congruency. SAS congruency. Okay. Hence, angle DMN equal to angle CMN and DM equal to CM, CPCT. DM equal to CM, CPCT. Up to here, okay or not? Up to here, okay or not? Everyone okay, clear or not? Okay. Minna, is it clear? Harsha. Okay. So now, okay, then, okay, now look at here. Let angle, listen, you got let angle DMN equal to CMN equal to X. Don't die now. Angle DNM equal angle AMN equal to BMN 90 degree given. Therefore, this angle 90 minus X, 90 minus X. Now, in triangle AMD and BMC, AMD and BMC, AM equal to BM given, AMD equal to BMC, 90 minus X, proved. MD equal to MC, proved. Then again, these triangles are congruent by SAS, hence AD equal to BC. Hence AD equal to BC. Okay, 2 times SAS you have to use it. Okay, right now. Let angle DMN, wait. Another method there is. Hey, hello. Wait. What about D equal to C, right or no? Angle D equal to angle C, right? Angle D equal to angle C also CPCT, right? Correct or no? Angle D equal to angle MDN equal to MCN, CPCT. Let that angle X. Okay, we can assume that also. Look, this angle X is also X. So this one is what? X, Y, alternate angles. Correct or no? Okay, it just changes that. Instead of, if you want, you can do this way also. Okay. Instead of angle DMN, you can write angle MDN, equal to angle MCN. Angle MDN equal to angle MCN, CPCT. Okay, after that, right? Let angle MDN equal to angle MCN equal to X. Angle MDN equal to angle MCN equal to X. Therefore, angle AMD equal to angle MBN MBC equal to X, CPCD, alternate angles. Angle AMD equal to BMC, alternate angles. Then AM equal to BM given. AM equal to BM given. DM equal to CM proved. DM equal to CM proved. Therefore, triangle AMD congruent to triangle BMC SIS congruency. Okay, hence AD equal to BC CPCT. AD equal to BC CPCT. Okay, proved. Okay, check all. Hello, check all. This is okay or not? It's okay now? Finish? Finish or not? Are you okay? Okay, okay, I'll wait. Okay, next one. In figure, OA equal to OB. OA equal to OB. In figure, OA equal to OB. OA equal to OB. OA equal to OB. OD equal to OC. Then triangle AOD congruent to triangle BOC. Okay. By which congruency rule? Look, OA equal to OB, OD equal to OC, OD equal to OC. Okay, then triangle AOD congruent to triangle BOC by which congruency rule? Which one? Which one that? SIS, right or no? Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Understood? What is the this one? Okay, next one. In triangle, okay, now? In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and DEF. So that's today I'll finish this triangle full. Sunday I'll do Sunday and Tuesday I'll do surface area volume. Thursday full revisions. Okay. Okay. In triangle ABC and DEF, 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 AB equal to DF, AB equal to DF, angle A equal to angle D. The two triangles will be congruent by two triangles will be congruent. Two triangles will be congruent by SIS if A BC equal to EF, B AC equal to DE, C BC equal to DE, D AC equal to EF. Okay, try now. Okay. Question clear or not? Question, look at here. Question here. In triangle ABC and DEF, AB equal to DF, AB equal to DF, angle A equal to angle D. Two triangles will be congruent by SIS. Option 1, BC equal to EF. Option 2, AC equal to DE. Option 3, BC equal to DE. Option 4, AC equal to EF. Don't just answer. Draw two triangle and check it. Okay. Hello. Draw two triangle and check it. It's not lottery. Okay. Look here, two triangles, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, AB equal to DF. This one equal to this one. Angle A equal to angle D. Okay, to prove by SIS, what do you want? AC and DE. So which one? Option B. Okay, now clear? Everyone okay? Okay, next question. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Okay. AB equal to 5 centimeter. AB equal to 5 centimeter. AB equal to 5 centimeter. Angle B 40 degree. Angle B 40 degree. Angle A 80 degree. Angle A 80 degree. Then, which of the following is true? Which of the following is true? Okay. A, QP equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, QP equal to, listen, Q, once again, a triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Once again, triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. AB equal to 5 centimeter. AB equal to 5 centimeter. Angle B 40 degree. And angle A 80 degree. Angle A 80 degree. Which of the following is true? Which of the following is true? A, QP 5 centimeter. QP 5 centimeter. Angle P 60. Angle P 60. Option B, QP 5 centimeter. Angle R 60. Option C, QR 5 centimeter. QR 5 centimeter. Angle R 60. Angle R 60. D, QR equal to 5 centimeter. QR equal to 5 centimeter. Angle Q 40 degree. Angle Q 40 degree. Okay, check it now. Sri Kumar, before finishing the question, you said A is correct. What basis? Did you check or not? Option A, option, okay, I write here. Look. Look at here. Option A, what? QP 5, angle P 60. Option B, QP 5, angle R 60. Option C, QR equal to 5 centimeter. Angle R 60. Option D, QR 5 centimeter. Angle Q 40. Okay. Here triangle PQR, triangle PQR, congruent to triangle PQR, sorry, ABC, congruent to triangle PQR, PQR. Okay, check it now. Okay, don't just answer it like Sri Kumar did. Okay. You check correct whether correct or not. Look at here. Hello. Look at here. Angle B, listen. Angle B 40. Angle A 80. What about angle C? Angle C is 60. Okay. So C should be, listen. Hello. Look, if triangle, look at here. If triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, so what? AB should be equal to PQ, BC equal to QR, AC equal to PR. Then angle A equal to angle P. Angle B equal to angle Q. Angle R equal to angle C equal to angle R. Angle C equal to angle R. Correct or no? You know this one, right? If two triangles are, listen, if two triangles are congruent, corresponding sides are equal, corresponding angles equal. Right? Okay, now that means, look at here. A is B 40, A is 80, C should be 60. Okay. Corresponding C here, R should be 60. Correct or no? R should be 60. Option, listen. P, R should be, so option A straight away cut. Correct? Option A straight away cut. We're not considering that. Why? Because angle C is angle C should be equal to angle R. Angle C should be equal to angle R. Okay, but our C is what? 60. Our C is 60. So here, how much? C should be equal to angle R. Here, angle R is not given here. So that means straight away cut. Okay. Then R should be 60. So that means these two options. This one straight away cross. Now option these two only. Okay. AB 5, right? AB is 5. AB corresponding what? PQ. PQ how much? 5. That means this one. Option B is the answer. Option B is the answer. Clear or not? Sri Kumaran, clear or not? Don't just hurry and answer it. Okay? Hello, Sri Kumar. Okay. Sri Kumaran, finish or not? Okay, question wrong is your problem now. Okay. Next question. In triangle ABC and PQR. In triangle ABC and PQR, AB equal to PR. AB equal to PR. Angle A equal to angle P. Angle A equal to angle P. Two triangles will be congruent by SIS. Two triangles will be congruent by SIS if. Okay, you find out which side. Okay. If Akshaya, if triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR, then which of the following is true? No. In triangle ABC and PQR, AB equal to PR, angle A equal to P. Two triangles are congruent by SIS, then what? AC equal to PQ, right? Okay. Next question. Finish or not? Okay. Right. ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. With AB equal to AC. BD and CE are medians. BD and CE are medians. BD and CE are medians. Show that BD equal to CE. Show that BD equal to CE. Okay, try now. Okay, finish or not? Hello. What will do this one? Look. Hello. Look. Here, ABC is an isosceles triangle. AB equal to AC. Look. Listen here. AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Given. You write everything out right. What is given? Okay. Then AB by 2 equal to AC by 2. That is AD equal to AE. You write bracket. BD and CE are medians. After that, in triangle in triangle ABD and ACE, AD equal to CE, proved. AC equal to AB, given. Angle A common. Angle A common. Therefore, triangle ACE, triangle ACE congruent to triangle ABD, SAS congruency. Hence, BD equal to C. Is it okay? Okay. Hello. What about Ahmed? What is the median actually? You said finished now. What is the median? What is the median? Okay, what other way? Look at here. Hello. Then write this one. Okay, don't go any other method and lose the mark. Okay, write first. You write. You write given and proof. Hello, given. What you have to prove? Figure with the pencil and scale. This is important part. 1 mark may cut. Okay. It's a privilege of the teacher. Maybe if he cut, you cannot argue with them. Okay. Okay. Right. Proof. AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. Given. AB by 2 equal to AC by 2. AB by 2 equal to AC by 2. Therefore, AE equal to AD. AE equal to AD. Okay, in bracket, right? BD and CE are medians. Okay. That means AE equal to AD. Then after that, in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD and ACE, ABD and ACE, AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC, given. AD equal to AE, proved. Angle A equal to angle A common. Angle A equal to angle A common. Therefore, triangle ABD congruent to triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACE, SAS congruency. SAS congruency. Hence, BD equal to CE, CPCT. BD equal to CE, CPCT. Okay. Check now. Okay, so next question. Right. What? Angle CEA, CEA. Who told you, Sri Kumaran? Who told you that 90 degree? Who told you that? It's given. You not follow what I'm telling, okay? Where is given? It is 90 degree. Where it is given? After proof and all, if it is, then you asking me that it's 90 degree. Okay, write the question. AD and BC are equal perpendiculars. AD and BC are equal perpendicular to the line segment AB. AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to the line segment AB. AD and BC are equal perpendicular to the line segment AB. Perpendicular to the line segment AB. Show that CD bisect. Show that CD bisect AB. Show that CD bisect. Show that CD bisect. Show that CD bisect AB. Okay. Look at here. Okay, we are shown that CD, we are shown that BE, we are shown that BE equal to EA. BE equal to EA. Okay. Okay. Question what? AD and BC are equal perpendicular to the line segment AB. Show that CD bisect AB. That means we are sure that BE equal to AE. BE equal to AE. Okay. C. C here. Okay. C here. C is here. Okay. Okay. This is a good question. AD and BC are equal perpendicular to the line segment AB. Show that CD bisect AB. Show that CD bisect AB. Okay. Okay. Clear now? Question again. AD and BC. AD and BC are equal perpendicular to the line segment. AD and BC are equal perpendicular to the line segment AB. Show that CD bisect AB. That means you are show that BE equal to EA. Okay, try now. Okay, try fast. Okay, finish. Hello. What you did? What you did? DA equal to CB. Look, DA equal to CB. Angle A equal to angle B. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Then what? AAS. Correct or no? AAS. How come ASA? Akshaya, maybe you did angle D equal to angle C. You did that. But why it is equal? They are parallel. Is it parallel line? Hello. Why it is equal? Is it parallel line? Yeah, but why alternate angles? Alternate angles correct. Why is parallel? If it is parallel, only equal, no. If the lines are parallel, then only alternate. If the lines are parallel, then only alternate angles are equal. Correct or not? If the lines are equal, so if the lines are parallel, then alternate angles are equal. Okay. If the alternate angles are equal, lines are parallel. Here you said angle D equal to angle C. What is the reason? If it is parallel, okay. If DA parallel to CB, then we can say. Is it okay, Akshaya? What I said? Hello. Angle B equal to angle B equal to angle A, agreed. Angle B equal to angle A, agreed. 90 degree. Then next angle. How alternate angles? Okay, yeah, alternate angles. A and B equal alternate angles, therefore parallel. Then you have to specify angle B equal to angle C given since the alternate angles are equal. AD parallel to BC, hence D equal to C. That you have to write it. Clear or not? Okay. Otherwise, simple. Look, we don't want to take a risk. We just write angle A equal to angle B. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Vertically opposite angle. DA equal to CB. AAS. Finish. Okay. Or another option is there is angle A equal to angle B. Given 90 degree. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, D equal to C. Third angle. Correct or not? Because two angles are equal, third angle is automatically equal. Okay. So that is what? AS, that also correct. Correct? Anyway, it is correct. I just asked you what is the reason. Okay. Clear now? Sham, are you getting or not? Glenn, Gulf Indian, where do you reach now? Hello, Gulf Indian. Okay, the next is what? Next chapter. Okay. Okay, circle. Okay, okay. Yeah, now we're going to finish all, right? Okay. So next question. Right. Next one. Is it okay? This is a good question. Okay, right? In figure, hello. Next question. Next question. In figure, L is the bisector of angle A. 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 B is any point on L. B is any point on L. B is any point on L. BP and BQ. BP and BQ. BP and BQ are perpendicular from from B are perpendicular. Okay. Show that one triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB. AQB. 2. BP equal to BQ. BP equal to BQ. BP equal to BQ. Okay. Okay. What? Here in figure, L is the bisector of angle A. A and B are any point on L. Okay. Bisector of A. B is any point on L. BP and BQ are perpendicular from B to the BP and BQ are perpendicular. Show that triangle APB congruent to AQB and BP equal to BQ. Okay, try now. Okay. Okay, getting or not? Hello? Okay, you got? Okay, look at here. Here, this is a bisector. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. Angle P equal to angle Q, 90 degree. AB common. Therefore, these triangles are congruent by AAS. Hence, BP equal to BQ, CPCT. Okay, finish? Who all finish? Cheyenne, finish? Sam, Glenn. Okay. Rigved, finish. Rigved, finish or not? Harsha, Ashwagan, finish. Ansel, are you sure or finish or not? Are you sure or not? Okay. What you did? Okay. Angle one equal to angle two given. Angle P equal to angle Q 90 degree given. AB equal to AB common. Therefore, triangle APB congruent to triangle AQB, AAS congruency. Hence, VP equal to VQ, CPCT. Okay. Next question. In figure, ABCD is a square. In figure, ABCD is a square. In figure, ABCD is a square. And BX equal to BY. BX equal to BY. BX equal to BY. BX equal to BY. Prove that triangle DCX, triangle DCX, triangle DCX congruent to triangle DAY, triangle DCX congruent to triangle DAY. Prove that DCX congruent to DAY. Second one, DY equal to DX, DY equal to DX. 3. Angle DXC, angle DXC, angle DXC equal to angle DYA, DYA, DYA. Okay. Okay, you try it. Okay. Try this one. ABCD, listen, question again, I'll read. ABCD is a square. BX equal to BY. Prove that triangle DCX congruent to DAY. Okay. After that, you can show all CPCT only. Yes, Bx equal to By. Okay, try now. Okay, finish. By RHS. Okay, okay, correct. Okay. Okay, finish. Hello. Okay, look at here. Question is listen here. Hello. Look. Here, come on. We are sure that these two triangles are congruent. Okay, look at here. AB equal to BC. I'll give the note, don't write now. I'll give the note, don't write. AB equal to BC, sides of a square. AY equal to BX, given. Subtract. AB minus AY equal to BC minus BX. What is that? AB minus AY, that is, sorry, no, wait. BY equal to BX. AB minus BY. AB minus BY. AB minus BY means AY. BC minus BX is CX. Okay, we got that. Okay, right up to here now. Hello, start. AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC, sides of a square. Sides of a square. Call it number one. BY equal to BX. BY equal to BX, given. BY equal to BX, given. Number two. Then subtract. AB minus BY. AB minus BY equal to BC minus BX. AB minus BY equal to BC minus BX. That is AY equal to CX. Okay, after that. Now look at here. In triangle DAY, in triangle DAY and DCX, in triangle DAY and DCX, DA equal to DC, sides of a square. Angle A equal to angle C, 90 degree, each angle of a square. AY equal to CX, proved. Therefore, triangle DAY congruent to triangle DCX, SAS congruency. How come RHS, Akshaya? RHS is not possible here. Okay. Akshaya. Because okay. So right now, right, in triangle DAY, in triangle DAY, in triangle DAY and triangle DCX, in triangle DAY and DCX, DA equal to DC, DA equal to DC, DA equal to DC, sides of a square. Angle A equal to angle C. Angle A equal to angle C, equal to 90 degree. Each angle of a square. AY equal to CX. AY equal to CX. Proved. Therefore, triangle DAY congruent to triangle DCX. DAY congruent to triangle DCX. SAS congruency. Okay, remaining two CPCT only. Write yourself. Okay, so next question. Right. Next question, same type question we did, just changes only. Okay, you have to try. Okay. In a right triangle, right. Careful, this is star question. Okay. Star question. Coming test chances there is. In a right triangle, in a right triangle, in a right angled triangle, in a right angled triangle, X, Y, Z. In a right angle triangle, X, Y, Z, right angle at Z, right angle at Z, right angle at Z. M is the midpoint of XY. M is the midpoint of XY. M is the midpoint of XY. Okay. Z is joined to M. Z is joined to M. Z is joined to M and produce to a point P and produce a point P such that PM equal to ZM. PM equal to ZM. Okay. Point P is joined to Y. Point P is joined to Y. Point P is joined to Y. Show that one. Triangle XMZ, triangle XMZ, congruent to triangle YMP. Triangle XMZ, congruent to triangle YMP. 2. Angle PYZ equal to 90 degree. PYZ equal to 90 degree. 3. Triangle PYZ, PYZ. Triangle PYZ congruent to triangle XZY. 3. ZM equal to half of XY. ZM equal to half of XY. Okay, try this question. Everyone should get this question. Okay. Everyone should get, because you did, instead of XY, so ABC you did. Okay. Figure you have to draw. You have to draw figure. Okay. Not in figure, you have to draw. Clear? In a right angle triangle, X, Y, Z, right angle at Z. Right angle 90, Z equal to 90. M is the midpoint of XY. Z and M joined and produce a point P such that XM equal to MP and PY joined. Okay, prove that 1. X, M, Z congruent to YMP. 2. PY Z equal to 90. 3. PY Z congruent to X, Z, Y. 4. ZM equal to half of XY. ZM equal to half of XY. Okay, try now. Details with the correct figure, all the steps you have to write it. Okay. Okay, getting now? Okay, finish. Hello, getting or not? Okay, getting or not? Finish. If not getting, tell me. If not getting, hello, how we did 7.1, sorry, that this exercise, first exercise, what the question number? Check that one. Okay. Reader 1 exercise question. How we did? What is the question number? Akshara, you remember the question number? Akshara, sorry. Hey, check the reader. Okay, reader question we did know already. Eighth question, yes. Exercise number what? Exercise question number. Sorry, chapter is what? Number, chapter number 8.1 or 8.2? 8.1, right? 7.1, yes, 7.1. Eighth question, check it. We did already. Only changes there A, B, C. Here X, Y, Z. That's only. Okay, I'm not going to explain this question. So, right, next question. Right. In figure, AD the bisector of, but this is a sure question. Okay, AD the bisector. In figure, AD is the bisector. Right. In figure, AD is the bisector. In figure, AD is the bisector. AD is the bisector. AD is the bisector. C, the AD the bisector. Okay. After a bisector of angle BAC. Angle CPD equal to angle BPD. CPD equal to angle BPD. Prove that angle CAP. Prove that angle CAP. Prove that angle CAP. Prove that angle CAP congruent to triangle BAP. Triangle CAP congruent to triangle BAP. Okay, try now. Okay. You want to explain this question? Look at here. Hello. Okay. Look at here. Simple. Here, angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. Okay. This is X. Here also X given. So this is 180 minus X. 180 minus X. So AP common. So then what? ASA. Okay. Look, you write like this. Angle CPD equal to angle BPD given. Angle CPD equal to angle BPD equal given. Let angle CPD equal to BPD equal to X. Therefore, angle CPA equal to BPA equal to 180 minus X. Linear pairs. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. Okay. AD, AP equal to AP common. Therefore, these triangles are controlled by ASA, angle, side angle. Right first. Is it okay now? Okay, finish. So this is enough today. Prepare for the test. Okay.